Matt, this is Brittany. I promised to provide you a quick video with some tips and tricks on how to optimize your online presence. And you're probably asking why I'm doing this. Well, I realize small business owners are so busy running their business and taking care of their customers, they don't have the time to learn how to get more customers. And the only thing stopping them is knowing who is an expert and who is not. So some people will take this information that I share with you today and they will do it themselves. And some people will connect with me. Either way, I'm okay with. This is just a video to help you out and educate you with an attack plan. And I'm going to be going over 3 things today. I'm going to be going over content, backlinks, and citations. So first, I'm going to go over content on your homepage. Right now, looking for the number of words that you have. It's a very simple website with a couple of pictures. You have around 100 or 150 words on your homepage. Now, content to Google is king. It gives you authority, so we do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And in your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So a good example of a good keyword that's buyer intent is hardwood floor installation, Augusta, Georgia. And I went ahead and searched this. This is a great buyer intent keyword because it's service specific and location specific. I'm looking for hardwood floor installation in Augusta, Georgia, which is one of your services and in your location. The first thing that comes up is something called the Google Map Pack here. And now 30% of consumers will choose one of these top 3 businesses to do their business. Below that is the organic search results, and 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses on the front page of Google to perform their services. Now, not shown on the very top of the Google Map Pack, but at the bottom, that usually shows up is Google Ads, and 5 to 10% of people will choose one of these businesses to do their services. So I was looking for a local business in the area, and what came up were these directories, A&G House, Home Advisor, and that's totally normal that comes up, but the first company that pops up organically is Hardwood Flooring, Augusta, Georgia. So I went ahead and popped up their website here so we can compare and see what they're doing to be ranking at the first spot of Google. So I was looking at their website. It's a really good layout, lots of visuals, but they don't have a whole lot of content. I would say they have around 500 words or so, not the recommended amount, but they are doing some things that are helping them rank, and I'm going to show you that now. So we've briefly gone over content. Next thing I want to go over is backlinks. So this is a page program that I like to use called Ahrefs, and looking at their website, Flooring Pros Augusta, Georgia, they have these really 2 good ratings here. Now this is a DR rating. This is essentially a power rating, and this is essentially a trust rating, UR rating. And both of these are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you or pointing to your website. So it's literally like a popularity contest. So they have 617 referring domains pointing to around 24,000 backlinks. That's a ton of backlinks. However, it is worth noting that not all links are created equal. So the best ones to have are those that are relevant to your industry and the services that you offer and that are from local websites. Looking at their power and trust rating, they have really, really good numbers here. They're almost the same, which is what you want to see. So that's a good indication of a high authority website. So they're doing some really good things there. So we went over content, we went over backlinks, and once again, looking at their keywords too, they are ranking for 507 keywords and getting some pretty good traffic in as well because they're doing all these great things. And unfortunately, you're missing out on a lot of that traffic. When I was looking at your website analysis here, you guys only have 1 referring domain that's pointing to 3 backlinks. Currently, you don't have any trust or authority rating with Google, so you're not ranking in Google, and you're not getting any organic traffic either. So unfortunately, your website isn't doing a whole lot for you guys. It's just kind of sitting there like a business card. So you definitely want to get some of those things up there. You definitely want to get your content up there with some good buyer intent keywords throughout your website and pages and home page, and you want to get some really good quality backlinks there too, so you guys start ranking. So the last thing I want to go over is citation. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. Citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you here. And this is really important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Citations include directories that we found here like A&G House, Home Advisor, there's hundreds of others, but the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. Citations not only help you guys rank in the Google Map Pack, but they also help you with the website and getting you guys ranking and keeping with your authority. So there's a lot of things you guys can do. Once again, I want to recap. So definitely increase the content you have on your homepage and throughout your website pages with some good buyer intent keywords, getting some good high quality backlinks there as well to strengthen your authority and also increasing the exposure of your business throughout many directories. Alright, so I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. And I'd appreciate any feedback you have for me. I'd like to know if this was helpful or not. Thank you and have a great day.